guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Parminder and I'm a makeup artist in New Delhi. So in today's video, we are going to talk about facial hair or peach fuzz. These days, 8 out of 10 women are battling PCOD, which has resulted into unwanted facial hair. Facial hair is normal and you don't have to be embarrassed about it. But if you're looking for methods to remove your facial hair, then trust me, waxing and threading are not your best friends. From a long time, I'm using a facial razor, which is this one. This is the Sanfi facial razor. Now, there are many myths about shaving. Some say that your hair will grow back thicker or they will grow more. You will have more facial hair. But honestly, it's not true. I'm using this method since 2 years now and have not faced a single issue. So earlier the razor that I was using was this one. I don't remember the brand. I ordered it from Amazon. But if I bring it close to you, you can see it is quite sharp and it can give you a cut. I'm using these Sanfi razors since 2 months now and these are super safe. These come with this plastic lid on top and these are made of stainless steel, and this one is not sharp. It is totally safe to use on your skin, on your face and sensitive areas. This is all the peach fuzz that comes out, and you can see some on my cheek as well. You just have to take it downwards. Please do not shave upwards. And here comes the peach fuzz. It is quite helpful for the women who have facial hair and they are scared to shave it off. My face feels so light right now and so smooth. It has not given me any cut, anything. And I am going to clean my razor now and I'm going to put on the safety lid back so that there is no bacteria. I'm going to clean it nicely and then I'm gonna store this. The box contains 3 razors. All of them are in different color, which is excellent. I really like how they have given this rubber grip here so that it doesn't slip from your hand while you're shaving your face. And the other razor that I was using prior to this, it is full plastic and quite dangerous. I have cut myself with this earlier, but this one is a super affordable, super safe. Really appreciate the person who has designed this razor, and it is a one-stop solution for your facial hair. No pain, no cuts, and super affordable and at the comfort of your home. You don't have to rush to the parlor. This is very nice. Just keep in mind that you don't have to shave upwards, you have to shave downwards. I have shown you the method, and after this you can slap on some heavy moisturizer or even aloe vera gel will work. And that's all for the video today. I have kept it very short, very minimal. Please don't wax your face. It will sag your skin down and it will break your skin out. When I used to wax my face always had pimples. Like there was a point I had to cover my face and then go out. That is the new normal right now, but at that time I used to cover my face and go out because it was breaking out so badly. You can go for lasers as well, but if you're looking for a method without burning a hole in your pocket, then this is your solution. These Sanfi razors are super safe, super affordable, and you can really use them at the comfort of your home and do it yourself. So that's it for the video today. I hope you found it informative, and if you did, then please share it with your friends. Give it a big thumbs up. Comment down in the comment section below if you have any queries, and please share it with your friends who are dealing with facial hair or PCOD. I hope you found this video informative. We'll meet in the next video. Until then, bye bye. Take care.